Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today out in Louisiana, out in Covington, New Orleans area, in between around the Baton Rouge area, we're doing big rig, semi-truck, aluminum polishing, metal finishing, turning metal into a mirror. It's the only business to do it from one side of the Gulf Coast, from Lafayette, Louisiana, all the way down south of Tampa through Central Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, and in Tennessee. Take care of everyone from big oil companies like where we're at right now on over to fire departments. And we take care of everybody. So big and small, agricultural, oil and gas, government, cities, municipalities, we serve everybody. But this today is going to be a special project. This is for a great energy company, repeat client, doing a lot of work for them. And this here is a 4,500 gallon Bobtail Tanker that is going to be completely polished and turned into a metal mirror. And this thing is in pretty good condition. Got a place right here where a sticker was. That's okay. There'll be a little bit of a shadow in that area. That's to be expected. And we're gonna walk around here. And as you can see, I'm gonna be doing the back here. And coming around to this side, I'm letting y'all see the entire truck before. Got gouges in it, got scratches in it. This tank is probably about, let's see what the production date is on here. I'm gonna show y'all, all my viewers here. This was made on 8/3/2007. So I think that's about 20 years old, give or take, pushing. So anyway, this is the tanker, and gonna get the camera set up. Gonna be doing this section here. Have some acid runs here from chemical burns and stuff. We're not doing any sanding, we're just doing straight polishing. But gonna be taking care of this all the way down here. Gotta move this over. And as you can see, gonna be taking care of these doors, gonna be taking care of the doors on the other side, gonna be taking care of all the areas that you see here. It's gonna turn out absolutely amazing. All right, everybody, so it's about midnight right now. Just wrapped up with doing this side of the truck. Gonna let you see this. And did a lot of work. Did a lot. Turned out beautiful so far. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. All right, everybody, so just wrapped up with this 4,500 gallon tanker. And as you can see, it's absolutely exquisite. So it turned out amazing. Amazing. You can just see the reflection. How you doing, everybody? YouTube. So, if you're interested in having your big rig or semi-truck polished out, give us a call, 800-292-2341. This truck underwent 2 days of polishing and proprietary methods exclusive to Exquisitemad. If you're interested in getting some training or learning how to do this for your staff, for your business, please give us a call. We do have licensing opportunities available and also training opportunities available. And as you can see, turned out absolutely amazing and looks beautiful. So mirror finish. Automotive, aviation, big rigs, semis, marine polishing, marine detailing, aluminum polishing, big rig aluminum polishing, you name it. Looks beautiful, y'all. So, I'll let y'all see. Just throwing the wheels, quick process on these, just to add some shine, just to make it match the truck. So the wheels are not, of course, the focus, but the tanker is the focus. So anyway, hope you enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. Gonna go ahead and get everything picked up and then head on out, get back on the road and on to the next city, the next state, next project. Let's go.